Okay. There's Ripley with Penny.
Ow.
Ripley's developing his nails, right?
Yeah. It's okay. You go down. You go down. It's okay with me. It's okay.
Hi, this is Ripley, our baby Cockatiel. Our video camera operator is Penny Cerenzio, operating an HD video camera for the first time. Well, a real HD video camera, that is. So Daddy actually gets to be on camera without doing it himself. So there's Cricket. He's
Looking like he's handsome.
a Cricket. A Ripley, whatever. This is Ripley. He's making a whole lot of noise. He was calm just a second ago, but now he's nervous, I guess, or wants to eat, who knows. But he's holding on to me quite well, and he's just hanging out. So anyway, Ripley looks good. Ripley looks healthy. And that's Ripley. Hi. Hi. Hi, you want to pet you a little bit? Yeah, pet Ripley a little bit. Good boy. Oh, I know. Life is so hard.
You only recording Ripley or Daddy too?
I think she's getting a little of both of us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? You getting Daddy too? As I choke. Hi. How are you? Alright, we're going to put Ripley back in his cage now. We're going sideways. Thank you, Penny. So say goodbye to Ripley.
Hi, Ripley.
And we'll see you next time.